You look you look so good.
I did my makeup this morning, went out for my walk. I did a lot.
Yeah, you look amazing.
Well,
Wow.
thank you. So do
Yeah.
you.
Thank you. I really appreciate you being here, being part of the community, and I've seen a lot of changes in you. So I feel like that's why you're here is because you want to help other people to see what's available for them. So thank you so much for taking the opportunity to do that with me today. So before you joined, I want to know what life was like before, like what was going on in your life or your business.
I work only. I live to work. I don't really have a social life. I am older, and I'm feeling a little um, like pressure that maybe this isn't my place at my job, and everything was for my job. So that's where I was.
Thank you for sharing that. So what would you say you were struggling with the most at that time?
I wanted to change from an employee mindset, move into an entrepreneurial mindset, and I wanted to start my own business so that I can move into a more fulfilling purpose and have a different kind of a life.
Thank you. And what had you already tried that wasn't working?
I've tried a lot. This is a lifelong journey, and I've been an employee for a long time, so I've worked with a lot of people, done a lot of things, but everything worked. I mean, everything helped. It's like a layer of onion. You've got to peel it back. So I'm not going to say nothing worked before. It all did help. It just led me here. And so coming here, though, helped really get to that next level of I want to be an entrepreneur. I am an entrepreneur.
Cool. And what were you hoping to achieve or change by joining?
I want to have that different mindset. I wanted to start my business and I wanted to have a framework and a plan set up. And this I didn't know. And I was just kind of spinning my wheels.
And what was like the biggest frustration or the block that ultimately made you realize that something had to change?
That I knew I needed a different mindset because the mindset I had and I was living, that wasn't going to take me into the future.
Yeah. And what was it about Powerful Manifestor Mastermind that made you want to join?
It was a deep dive with you, working with you. That's when the PowerPoint came, the turning point of how I thought of myself.
Yeah.
That was a big deal.
Yeah. What was that? What did you think of yourself before that moment? And what do you think about yourself now?
Well, I knew I could do things, but I always lived small. I thought small. I don't want to, I was like, I need to hide against the shadows. I was afraid to be seen. That was huge.
Yeah.
And so we did that deep dive and totally changed my mindset. And I want to be seen. I want to, I want a better life. I'm creating this for me. So the words, the mindset, everything is coming into fruition now.
Yeah. And was there like a specific message or a session or a moment inside that really made everything click for you?
Yes, when we talked about those four agreements, and I just did not get when you were saying, and we were specifically talking about the second agreement, and I just did not understand how this horrible thing that's happening to me could be a possibility or an opportunity. And you really took the time to work with me, deep dive, go into it, and we changed it.
Yeah. And what was the realization shift from how you saw yourself to what was possible?
A lot. First off, I see wonderful examples. So you're a great example, but the people in Skool are also such wonderful examples. Very supporting community. That was different. And then my mindset about myself. I'm an entrepreneur. And then just building these different statements and incorporating them into my life, that's changed.
Amazing. Amazing. So once you joined, what were some of the first few things that you started doing differently?
Well, I have a whole list. I won't read them all. 2 pages. I developed my first book, The 5 Steps of Purpose, which was my free ebook. I have it available to my subscriber list, and I'm working on my workbook that will go with that. And I have an outline of things I want to work on. My $12 books, the $97 course, a 1 day seminar, which that was huge, but that's what I want to do. And then some roadmaps and things that I want to be able to offer my group. And then there's just so much more, but I won't go into all of it. There's
You,
just a lot, but that's the main thing.
you have come so far in such a short period of time. How did your mindset or approach to things shift when if things got tough? Like how did you handle it before and how do you handle it now?
Well, before I would kind of like muddle through it, but I did have one really bad day where I was just like, forget it, I quit. I'm just like, I'm not doing this. But I did it. I was able to come back because I was working with you. And it was a very bad day, but I came back and I just restarted. I just was able to first off, you can't build if you quit. So you just keep going forward. But I do have I'm following in your footprints and you're leading in the path. So and you're supportive. You don't just like, okay, figure it out. You're not like that at all. You're very much like, well, what do we need to do? And I
Mm,
love those sessions because we'll go into, I don't know what I need to do. What do I need to do? And we would figure it out. And that was so helpful in the beginning because in the beginning, I'm just muddling around. I don't know.
yeah. And what's like one specific thing that's changed for you since joining?
Well, my mindset and my attitude about myself. I have the right to be seen. I have the right to be here. That's really important. That's a big deal for me.
Yeah. That's so beautiful because I know where you were, before. And so that's really beautiful. So if someone's watching this and they're wondering whether to join, what would you tell them?
Do it, join because whatever you get, you'll whatever you give, you'll get back 100 times.
Cool.
It's so worth it.
Yeah. And last question is just what is the biggest lesson or insight that you've gained from this journey?
That I deserve to be here. I deserve to build this life, and it is possible. And there's wonderful things out there for me.
How long would you say we have been working together on
I
that?
think it was September, that and it's November, the very beginning of November.
So a
So
couple of months and you've
yep,
achieved all that. You've
yep,
come so far.
right.
You've done amazing. Well, thank you. Thank you so much for being willing to, share with everyone. I really appreciate you for being so willing and being so open. And if you have any other final comments,
Well, I want to thank you because all this is possible because you helped me. You walked the path first. I know you've been doing it for a long time, but it shows what's possible, and you show the steps to how to get there. So I appreciate that. Thank you for doing it first.
you're welcome. Thank you. I appreciate you so much and keep being amazing and keep taking those steps with purpose. And we are going to have an amazing future.
Thank you. I agree with you.
Thank you.